Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a cool smart home project. Building a DIY night lamp with an LDR. This automatic night lamp is super handy. Turning on automatically when it gets dark and off when it's bright. No more fumbling for light switches in the middle of the night. We'll be using a light-dependent resistor, or LDR, which is the brains of our operation, along with a transistor as a switch, and a bright white LED. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the components. We have the LDR, a resistor, a transistor. The most common is the NPN transistor, like the 2N2222, and, of course, a white LED. You'll also need a breadboard, some jumper wires, a power source, which could be a 5 volts adapter or a battery, and a soldering iron, if you want a more permanent setup. The LDR is the star of the show. Its resistance changes depending on the light it receives. When it's dark, the resistance is high, and when it's bright, the resistance is low. This change in resistance is what we'll use to trigger our light. The transistor acts like a switch. When a small current flows into its base, it allows a larger current to flow through the collector and emitter, turning the LED on. Now, let's build the circuit. Place the LDR and resistor on the breadboard. Connect one leg of the LDR to a 5 volts supply, and the other leg to a resistor. Let's use a 10K ohm resistor and connect the other end of the resistor to ground. The junction between the LDR and the resistor is connected to the base of the transistor. The emitter of the transistor goes to ground. Connect the collector of the transistor to one end of the LED. Connect the other end of the LED to the positive supply through a current-limiting resistor, like a 220 ohm resistor. This resistor protects the LED from burning out. Make sure you connect the LED in the correct polarity. The longer leg anode to the positive and the shorter leg cathode to the collector. Now, let's test the circuit. When you cover the LDR, simulating darkness, the LED should light up. When you expose the LDR to light, the LED should turn off. If it doesn't work, double-check all your connections. Make sure you have the components wired correctly, the polarity is correct, and that all components are making good contact with the breadboard. Once it's working, you can put it in a small box or enclosure, and you're all set. You can customize this project in many ways. You could change the LED color, use a different type of transistor, or even add a potentiometer to adjust the sensitivity of the LDR. This is a simple but effective project that's perfect for beginners, and a great introduction to the world of smart home automation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool projects.